is our morning breakfast. Ayan. Fried macaroni. Kasi wala akong bread. Ayan. Eggs, salami, and coffee. Coffee is life of Donna Rosa. Ayan. Ito yung ating breakfast for today. Oh, nice breakfast. Okay. Ito guys, mayroon tayong warm milk. Ito yung gagawin natin na coffee. Ayan, ito yung aking processing for making a coffee. Yeah, just like this. Yeah, ganon natin gawin pag walang sugar. Nakalimutan ko lang yung sugar ko kasi I want to have sugar. Kasi nga guys, parang hindi ko feel yung coffee pag walang sugar. Pero ito lang, less sugar tayo, ano? Ayan. So, ganyan lang. Hindi kasi ako mabubuhay pag walang a little bit sugar. Kahit a little bit lang, ano, diba? So, make a rice again. Ayan lang gawin natin bubbles. Ayan. So, that's it. Ayan. So, kukunin natin yung ating coffee. Just a minute. Mayroon tayong coffee maker. Ayan. So, mayroon tayong coffee maker. So, kukunin natin kasi yan, hot na siya. Ayan, hot pa rin siya. Hot na hot. Okay? This one. Like this. Oh, good morning, good morning, good morning, world. Good morning. Yan, you see? How it's look. Oh, so yummy coffee. So guys, how the beautiful world we have. I have a coffee. Ayan. Ayan. Napakasarap yung aking coffee guys. Ano? See, look. My coffee. Ayan. So, magbe-breakfast muna tayo. So, sorry guys. At, hindi ako nasa... Kasi mahirap talaga yung ating... maano lang kasi yung kitchen natin. Maliit. So, ayan guys. Hindi natin ma-flex ng maayos. So, ayan. So delicious. Coffee is life for me. Yeah. So, ayan guys, magbe-breakfast muna tayo. So, wait in the next vlog. Go, Diyos ko. Negative 26. Negative 26. Hindi ko na kaya yung lamig. Ayan guys, mayroon tayong noodles. Ayan. Mayroon tayong chicken. So, ito yung ating one set of meal. Okay? Guys, ito yung ating dinner today. Ayan. Hindi ako nakapag-video kanina kasi nga inaalam ko pa kung paano gawin. So, ito yung ating dinner. Ito ay potato and meat pork. Ayan. Nilagay natin ito sa oven. Ayan. Ang ganda ng ano niya. Ayan. Ito siya. Next time, pag gumawa ulit ako, i-video natin. Ayan. Ayan guys, ito yung ating set of dinner. Ayan. Ano lang to guys, steak and fried potato. Ayan. Ganyan lang. Fried potato. Kasi mahilig sila kumain ng potato din dito. Ayan. Yung steak natin, ganyan. Ayan. Parang 80% cook ito. Ayan yung ating steak. So, ayan guys, yung ating set of dinner. Ayan guys, today gumawa tayo ng pasta. Hindi ako nakapag-video na maayos kanina kasi mayroon tayong bisita. Then, ito, hindi ako makapagsalita at hindi ko na i-vlog una. So, ayan, naglagay ako ng tawag nito, onions, garlic una, and then nilagay natin yung meat, then tinakpan natin. Yung nilagay natin dyan is tomato paste, black pepper and salt, and sweet paprika. Then after 10 minutes nilagay natin yung noodles. Nakita niyo yung brand ng ating noodles. Yun ang ating brand ng ating noodles. And then, lagyan natin ng tubig bago takpan para maluto yung ating noodles pasta. So, every time to time, we check kung mayroon pang tubig at kung na-soft na yung noodles natin. So, ayan lang guys. Very simple yung ating cooking for today. It's yung pasta. So, ayan, sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe ng ating channel, Donna Rosa Vlog, ito yung ating brand ng noodles. Ayan, Barilla. So, ayan guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Ayan, set of meal, set of breakfast. Ayan. So, just we will see next breakfast. So, ito yung ating isang set of fruits with banana, strawberry, and blackberry with chocolates. So guys, thank you for watching.